Hi there! Welcome to NEKOCCHO. I'm getting kind of hungry. I know! I can show you around all the great food here. Follow me. A day around here starts with the delicious smell of coffee. This cafe opens at 8 in the morning, and it's popular with locals and travelers alike. They're great for breakfast too, with delicious sandwiches, cookies, and more. And don't miss their drinks, made with an authentic espresso machine. Where to next? Let's check this shop out. You can get fresh fruits and vegetables here. Everything for sale here was grown nearby. The farmers use organic growing methods in order to grow tasty and healthy vegetables. This shop always has vegetables that are in season, so it's a great way to experience the 4 seasons. Oh, I smell something delicious. It smells like fish, and it's coming from over here. In here, let's take a peek inside. Oh, I knew it. I can feel my mouth watering. This restaurant makes Japanese dishes using fish caught off the coasts of Japan and locally grown vegetables. And you can enjoy some tasty sake with a great meal. It's fun to see the careful techniques of Japanese cooking from up close. Okay, time for a quick break in the shade. This might be a little too cramped to share. I know just the place where we can both relax. Follow me. This building is over a century old. It's been renovated, and now it's a cafe and shop. At the shop, you can look around at all the dishes and other nice items made by artisans. Or you can sit on a sofa and relax with a cup of coffee too. I hope you had fun today checking out some of the delicious foods and drinks around here. There's so much more to see around here too. I'm looking forward to showing you around some more.